to that schools.
Menteri Rangba ka Jelau Conrad ke Sangma. Haneka sngiu la Pynthikna ha ka yeng ba ka sarkar jela kan kan randin ban Khang ya ka Jingtih bat Shalan Be-Ain yo Dewiong. Haba jubab alor ka call attention motion belawan ra do MLE ka Congress na maulai uba piti sau kemi. Conrad ulaong ba nalor ka jing penchitom kat kum ka an kibor penya distrik kilayale kat bala ban shim ya kilat kilenti ban Khang ya ka Jingtih Be-Ain yo Dewiong. Shushu Conrad ulaong nadu ka laiphui tarik unailar mentau snem ladep ban penrung hadu siajar rus pa san pu artli ki kes ha ka bay day bat ka jing Shalan Be-Ain yo Dewiong. Nakini siajar lais pa san pu sau ladep ban penrung ya ka jing mudoi bat saus pa new pu artli ladep ban penram. Ulaong ru basis pa kendai li ki kes ladep ban penrung ha ka bay day bat ka Jingtih Be-Ain yo Dewiong. Shispa pratli ladep ban penrung ya ka jing mudoi but are politely ladep ban penram.
I thought and we thought that remaining now of less than 5 years, we thought that the problem of coal mining could be settled.
So the government is leaving no stone unturned to stop the illegal mining and illegal transportation of coal. Apart from the punitive penal actions, the district administration is taking all possible steps to stop illegal mining. As was mentioned yesterday by the Honorable Home Minister, that till 31st of August 2022, 1,652 cases have been registered for illegal transportation, out of which 1,354 have been charge sheeted and 472 have been convicted.